want to learn about user research, and the UX research usually done in 5 phases. That's the brainstorm phase, the define phase, the design phase, the testing phase, and the launch stage. Then we have 3 different types of research. We have foundational research, we have design research, and we have post-design research, post-launch research. And then we have different types of bias when it comes to UX designing. So for the recency bias, it is when the person understands or remembers what the last person said, like either what the person did or what the person said during an interview. Then we have other types of bias. We have confirmation bias, false consensus bias, and so on. Then we learned how to empathize with users, and when empathizing with users, you can either do it through interviews or surveys. So we moved on to the ideate phase, and in the ideate phase, you have to identify your key deliverables, you have to review your products, you have to understand how your competitors position themselves in the market, because you have to really get a grasp of your competition. Then we learned how to wireframe, and a wireframe is basically an outline or a sketch of a digital experience. Then we went on to prototype after creating a wireframe, and a prototype is an early model of a product that demonstrates its functionality without actually building the entire product. Then we had a classwork, and I was tasked with designing or creating a pizza delivery app.